As Cabinet Minister in charge of the Department of Tourism, Government of Meghalaya, Paul Lyngdoh had conducted an inspection of Police Bazaar from Khyndai Lad to the GS Road Umsohsun Junction to make an assessment on the congestion caused by plying of traffic in the area, which has caused much inconvenience to pedestrians and the public at large. Speaking to reporters, Paul Lyngdoh informed that the inspection conducted was the government's intention to turn the particular stretch into a no vehicle and no honking zone so as to ensure safety of pedestrians passing along the way.
This inspection is an offshoot of the meeting I had organized a week back on 2 points. One is declaration of parts of Shillong as pedestrian zones or worker zone, and the other is no honking zones. So Shillong has become very toxic in the sense that pedestrians, it's very difficult for them to walk across, and the amount of honking and blaring of horns taking place all across the city, even in front of major hospitals. That is something that we would like to tackle. So today's meeting was organized keeping that in mind. Every task is mammoth as long as you are very sincere about it. So, but the whole point is we can always come up with, can you hear the amount of honking? So I can't really hear you much, or can you hear me properly? So the point is, if we look for problems, there will always be problems. Now we are trying to identify solutions to those problems, and we have identified this as a major area that should be exclusively for pedestrians, because then only will you be able to ensure the safety of people using the road, okay, and also the general welfare of people who are not inside their cars or on their bikes. So a lot of issues are linked to this, but the task ahead is for us to at least achieve the first milestone, which is have a few areas of Shillong as pedestrian zones. Then the rest, as part of that measure, the rest of the planning, how do you connect the dots, all of that.